Have you ever wondered how people are making real money using just their Facebook account? Well, you're in the right place, because today we're diving deep into the secrets of earning income directly from the world's most popular social media platform. Whether you're a content creator, a small business owner, or just someone scrolling through their feed every day, this video is packed with actionable tips you can start using today. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now and tap the notification bell so you never miss our weekly money-making strategies. Let's turn your Facebook time into financial freedom starting now. 1. Facebook Marketplace Mastery. Facebook Marketplace is not just a place to sell secondhand stuff, it's a goldmine for hustlers. You can flip products from thrift stores, garage sales, or wholesale suppliers and make real profit. Just snap quality photos, write honest descriptions, and price competitively. Focus on high-demand categories like electronics, furniture, and fitness gear. Use keyword-rich titles so your listings show up in search. Engage quickly with interested buyers to close deals faster. Offer delivery or pickup options to broaden your customer base. Keep your seller rating high for more credibility. With consistent posting and attention to trends, Facebook Marketplace can become a steady stream of income. Take time to study what's already selling well in your local area. Reinvest your profits into better inventory to scale faster. Bundle related items for higher value sales and better deals. Always respond politely and professionally. It helps build a repeat customer base. 2. Build a niche Facebook page. Start by picking a niche you're passionate about: food, fitness, tech, or travel. Create a Facebook page around that theme and start posting engaging content regularly. Memes, tips, videos, and relatable posts will build a loyal following. Once your page grows, you can monetize it through shoutouts, affiliate links, and sponsored posts. Brands love niche pages with active communities. Use Facebook Insights to track what content performs best. Encourage shares and comments to increase reach. Go live occasionally to build personal connections. Stay consistent with branding and posting frequency. Your page can turn into a powerful income-generating asset. 3. Facebook Reels monetization. Reels are Facebook's response to TikTok, and they're pushing it hard. You can monetize Reels through in-stream ads, bonus programs, and brand sponsorships. Focus on making short, catchy videos that entertain or educate. Trending sounds and challenges help boost visibility. Add value with tips, stories, or humor related to your niche. Optimize video captions with searchable hashtags. Stay consistent and post often. Facebook rewards creators who keep viewers engaged. Interact with comments to build community and loyalty. If you get accepted into the Facebook Creator Program, you'll unlock even more ways to earn. Start posting Reels and watch your income grow. 4. Affiliate marketing on Facebook. You don't need to create your own product to make money, just promote someone else's. Join affiliate programs like Amazon, Clickbank, or Share a Sale. Share your unique affiliate links on your Facebook posts, stories, or in niche groups. Review products in videos or write-ups and include your link. Always disclose that you earn a commission to stay transparent. Focus on products relevant to your followers to boost conversions. Offer real value by explaining how the product helps solve a problem. Use Facebook Lives to demo products in real time. Track your links to see what performs best. Done right, affiliate marketing can earn passive income 24/7. 5. Monetize Facebook groups. Create or manage a Facebook group focused on a specific passion or industry. Grow your group by offering value, helpful posts, and active moderation. Once you hit strong engagement, you can offer paid memberships, exclusive content, or premium services. Promote affiliate links or your own digital products inside the group. Partner with brands for sponsored posts if your group is niche and active. Pin announcements that link to your offerings or services. Use group insights to understand your audience better. Set clear rules to maintain quality and reduce spam. A well-run group is not just a community, it's a business. 6. Dropshipping via Facebook ads. Start an online store using Shopify or similar platforms. Then, run targeted Facebook ads to drive sales. You don't hold inventory. Instead, suppliers ship directly to customers. Use Facebook Pixel to track conversions and retarget visitors. Focus on viral or trending products with broad appeal. Test different creatives to find what converts best. Target specific demographics based on age, interest, and location. Monitor ad performance and scale winning campaigns. Keep learning from analytics to reduce cost per sale. With strategy and persistence, Facebook ads can build a full-fledged dropshipping empire. 7. Sell digital products. Ebooks, courses, templates, and printables are hot sellers, and Facebook is a great place to promote them. Create a landing page, then use your personal profile, page, or group to share value-driven content. Educate, inspire, and soft sell your product. Use storytelling to explain how your digital product changes lives. Offer bonuses or limited-time deals to boost urgency. Go live to answer questions and show your expertise. Use testimonials to build credibility and trust. Run Facebook ads to scale once your offer is proven. Digital products sell 24/7, giving you time freedom with scalable income. 8. Offer freelance services. If you're good at writing, designing, video editing, or consulting, offer your services on Facebook. Join relevant groups where potential clients hang out. Post value-rich content to showcase your skills and knowledge. Create a branded profile with a clear bio and portfolio. Use Facebook Stories to share client success or behind the scenes. Offer free consultations to build relationships and land clients. Ask satisfied clients to leave reviews or refer others. Use Facebook Messenger to follow up professionally. Over time, you can turn casual conversations into full-paying clients. 9. Become a Facebook ad manager. Many small businesses don't know how to run Facebook ads, and that's where you come in. Learn the basics of Facebook Ads Manager and take a few online courses. Offer to manage ads for local businesses, e-commerce brands, or service providers. Start by offering a free trial or results-based fee to get testimonials. Use case studies to showcase your results and attract new clients. Join groups where entrepreneurs ask for ad help. Build a personal brand as a Facebook ad expert. Stay updated with platform changes and testing strategies. This is a high-demand, high-income skill you can learn from home. 10. Monetize your Facebook Lives. Facebook Live allows you to build deeper connections with your audience in real time. You can monetize through stars, brand deals, and even live product selling. Plan your lives with clear topics and value-packed content. Promote your live in advance to boost attendance. Encourage engagement by answering questions and shouting out viewers. Use lives to pitch your services, products, or affiliate links. Make them fun, authentic, and interactive to retain viewers. Offer limited-time deals only during the stream. Use lives to build trust and close sales on the spot. With consistency, your lives can become a major income stream. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Now you've got a full playbook on how to make money on Facebook, from selling products and services to leveraging content and communities. But don't just watch, take action. Start with one method and grow from there. And remember, consistency is the key to turning side hustles into sustainable income. If you got value from this video, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below with which Facebook money method you're trying first. We're building a community of action takers and future millionaires.